is Luke Jackson, member of the Bassie Allstar band. I'm part of this album. Artist Elihu, being a part of this band is a tremendous, you know what I mean? It's a very tremendous, the music we are playing are very soothing, they are very intellectual, you know what I mean? It's very religious, we'll put it that way. It's more of love, righteousness, and strength and unity. Being a drummer for this band is very, very overjoyed, over exceptional, because without the heartbeat, which is the drum, there will be no music for us to vibe to. But this album is a very, very sweet, sweet, sweet album. Two of my favorite songs on this album is God and We, and our side, my side of town, and the other side of town. It's very, very nice.
God and We.
Alright, my name is Akimo Elliott, aka Frasco, Keezy, and the Angel Allstar Bassie bands.
So how was it working on this album, by Elihu?
Well, honestly, it's a good feeling, great feeling. Love the movements, love the whole vibes, you know. Love the whole thing, you know, enjoy the album, the whole movements. Well, the track there are the God and Me.
What about the track?
The one there, I feel the music more, I feel everything. The one that I love everything about it. I swear, like it give me a vibes, it give me a, you know. I love the movements of the song there. God and Me. And the lyrics them night too as well speaks a lot. Well, honestly, we expect nothing but greatness. Greatness in everywhere, you know. And with this album, we expect a great movement. Yeah, well, you know, I just want to tell people to just take the time out, listen to the words, them, you know, the lyrics them of the song, because honestly, that means a lot these days, you know. That means a lot.
Greetings to one and all. My name is Claude Reynolds. They call me Trending, and I play keyboard on the Bassie Allstar band. Music is something that has always appealed to me from I was a baby. Anytime I hear a song that I like, I would be dancing. They didn't have to teach any of us how to enjoy music, and to be able to do something as important as this is really amazing. Yeah, so today I'm here to talk about the new album by Elihu Morris, Broken Silence. It is a wonderful album. As a musician, I always pride myself on being a part of projects where the music has a message that is very important, and it is such a joy to play. Right? This is a complex set of songs that will have something for everybody. Personally, I have so many songs that I enjoy playing. I enjoy rehearsing with the team, and it is something that really allows us to connect with people on a different level. The messages that are there are relevant. They were relevant 30 years ago, it's relevant today, and it will be relevant for a while. So it's definitely something that you need to listen to. No matter where you live or what you're doing, these songs are going to talk about issues that affect you, that affect me. So it is a joy. We hope you enjoy every moment of listening to it, just as much as we do playing this music for you. God bless.
Yes, world. Bless. My name is Fitz Livermore. Everybody know me as Favorite. Or I should say most people. You know? Yeah, man. I'm currently here doing something with Bassie, Allstar, guitars in the band. Yeah, man.
On your side of town. Yeah.
On your side of town.
Ready?
Easy, ready?
3, 2.
It's a joy. It's not only a pleasure, you know, but also a desire, you know, working with the artists, you know. The energy, the whole energy with the Elihu and Bassie and the rest of the crew. It's just a joy, you know, working with everybody, you know what I mean? We have fun working together, you know what I'm saying? The album is a great album. Wonderful tracks and all the songs uplifting, you know what I mean? I personally have my favorite on the album, you know what I mean? But all the songs are, you know, great songs. I think this album is gonna just do some wonders, you know what I mean? Because people been waiting for this type of thing. You know, in an era where you have, you know, a lot of people doing a lot of foolishness. I classify it as foolishness still because sometimes you can't hear what them say. And sometimes what them really say is irrelevant to what is even happening, you know what I mean? I personally have to big up Bassie, you know. You know what I mean? We just putting this together and we know some boy, we are going to just achieve some great things from this. Success. We are looking for success. We don't talk about no succeed. We are looking for success. We born succeed. We are looking for success. We not looking for no succeed. We born succeed. We are looking for success from the album. We born succeed.
Greetings, my name is Devario Jones, aka Voltage, and I am the engineer from Architect Music. Yeah, Architect Music, good music, them can't refuse it. Well, I'm here to give my views on and about the Elihu Morris Broken Silence album. So my input on this album, or within the journey of this album, I am the recording engineer of most songs, if not all of the songs. And most of them were done at Architect Music, and some of them were mixed by, maybe 4 of them were mixed by me, Devario Jones, here in Architect Music. How do I feel about this album and the whole project? The journey was the most important thing for me. To see how everything come together, come to life, and how the artist, how he operates when he's recording. You know, Elihu is a man who just mystical in terms of how him record him song them, him just forward and hold a vibe. And if the vibe even alright, you know, he cancel and hold forward the next day. Andrew Bassie always depend terms in terms of the pronunciation and how the whole journey go and make sure everything on point. Big up Andrew Bassie. You know what I mean? So the whole journey for me, that are the most important thing and what stand out about the album. Quality-wise, it's a very good album. You understand, in terms of lyrical content and rhythm. You know what I mean? How the whole thing was orchestrated, and listening-wise, how everything mastered, mixed, and what I like is that the album was not mixed by only one engineer. Love that. You know, so you have a variation and a variety of dynamics and quality and sound.
My name is Jason Clay. He is the singer. When I write song and put in a word, I advise it and I say, yo, change a word, put in that. That sound better.
You have a favorite song on the album?
Well, 17 tracks in it. And I like all of them. It's 17 tracks. I like all of them.